Master Gamer here, and today we're going to be opening 5 FIFA packs. So here we go. First pack. Manchester. It's not a good card though, because, yeah, it's only an 80. Another bloody bronze. 79, not that good. Third pack. So got new. It's pretty good. England. Stroke City. 81, that's an alright card. Fourth pack. 80, that's an alright one. Could have been a bit higher. Fifth pack. I think I'm going to do one more. Come on. Come on. At least get a good card. Come on. Do another one. Just for the fun. Be a new. Not a new. That Afro though. Huh. 8th pack. I know what I was going to do 5, but obviously not anymore. 9th pack. I think I'm just going to do 10. And the 10th pack is... Please be a new. It's not a new. That was a crap one, wasn't it, guys? Anyway, that was my FIFA pack opening video. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and in the comment section below put some video ideas. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.